Harvesting Hope: How crescent-shaped pits are transforming African agriculture amid climate challenges. The struggle with water scarcity in Africa is a land of rich cultures and breathtaking landscapes, but it also faces some of the most severe impacts of climate change. With over 60% of the population depending on rain-fed agriculture, frequent droughts are devastating livelihoods. The United Nations predicts that by 2025, nearly 230 million Africans will struggle with water scarcity, and crop production may decline by 20% due to unpredictable rainfall. Countries like Niger, Burkina Faso, and Kenya are already witnessing once fertile lands turn barren, forcing many farmers into poverty and migration. Amid this crisis, an age-old farming technique is making a comeback: crescent-shaped pits, known locally as zai or tassa. These simple yet powerful structures are reviving dry soils and giving hope to communities battling climate change. What are crescent-shaped pits and how do they work? Picture a field dotted with shallow, half-moon-shaped holes, each about 20 to 30 centimeters deep and 1 to 2 meters wide. These pits, carefully placed along the land's natural contours, are more than just holes. They are nature-inspired water catchment systems. First used by the Mossi people of Burkina Faso centuries ago, these pits are designed to capture and retain rainwater.
Heartbeat whispers in the night air.
Their shape prevents water from running off, allowing it to seep into the soil and nourish crops. Unlike modern irrigation systems that require expensive equipment, zai pits need only human effort and traditional knowledge. As climate challenges intensify, farmers and organizations are bringing back this technique to boost food production and sustain communities. Bringing back an ancient farming wisdom, for much of the 20th century, colonial agricultural policies sidelined traditional techniques like zai in favor of chemical-based farming. However, after severe droughts in the 1980s, a determined farmer from Burkina Faso, Yakuba Sowadogo, revived this practice. Dubbed the man who stopped the desert, Sowadogo enhanced the technique by adding compost and manure to the pits, attracting termites that naturally loosen the soil and improve fertility. Today, organizations such as Sahel Eco and others are helping farmers rediscover this method, organizing training programs and even pit digging festivals where communities come together to prepare their fields for the rainy season. The science behind the success, the effectiveness of zai pits comes from their ability to mimic nature's water cycles. When it rains, these pits act like sponges, soaking up water that would otherwise be lost to evaporation.